Hello everyone, this is Paukshte Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I also want to remind you that some of my video courses are already available. Buy them if you haven't done it yet. I would really appreciate your support. Today we'd like to give you a review of this sheath dress. The dress is made of the black and white linen. The design is very simple, but the dress is very beautiful. The neckline is V-shaped, the shoulders are dropped. There are chest darts, waist tucks, and slits in the side seams. There is a zipper in the center back seam. The neckline is pretty deep on the back. The dress is lined. I've already told you many times that it's possible to make stylish dresses of the very simple designs. Do not forget that there is beauty in simplicity. Neat and stylish dress is suitable for many different occasions. You can sew such dress very quickly. As I've said, this is a sheath dress. The quality of fabric is very important. We use linen for the dress itself and cotton cambric for lining. Have a close look at the fabric. My course on how to sew a linen dress is available. Buy it if you haven't done it yet. In the course, we show you the techniques for sewing garments of linen in detail. In the course, we also show you many different useful techniques and details. Patch pockets, decorative facing, slits. I love the dress we showed you in the course. It's one of my favorite summer dresses. The black sandals Inga is wearing suit the dress very well. The dress is made on the basis of the 10 measurement cutting system. You can see that it fits Inga perfectly. I think that she looks amazing wearing this dress. The dress is very comfortable. I'd like to show you the dress in detail. I'll put it on the table to show you its wrong side. I'll show you the lining, the slits. I really hope that you like the design and the idea. I wanted to take into consideration some details. Have a look at the dress one more time. You can combine such dresses with different accessories. You can see that Inga is smiling wearing this dress. She likes it. Next, we'll put the dress on the table to show you all the details. You may wonder why I like making different reviews. I like them because it's an opportunity to share with you some interesting ideas and details. I really hope that you find my reviews helpful. Be very attentive now. As I've said, the dress is lined. The design is very simple. It's made on the basis of the 10 measurement cutting system. The neckline is deep on the back. The shoulders are dropped. There is an invisible zipper in the center back seam. The dress is lined. The neckline is edged with a tight bias binding. One side of it is sewn to the lining by hand. Have a look at it. It's a very delicate work. The armhole is lined with no bias binding. The bias binding on the neckline makes it a bit stronger. Let's have a look at the wrong side. We used cotton cambric for lining. Have a close look at the slits and the overcast. The edge of the overcast of the main fabric should be covered by lining. This is very important. Do not forget about it when sewing dresses. The sleeves were stitched. You can see the seams on the right side. It's possible in linen. Linen looks very beautiful when it's top stitched. If the dress was made of silk, we wouldn't have made the final stitching. I recommend you doing it when sewing garments of linen. The width of the overcast is 3 centimeters. It's double. Such overcast makes the bottom stronger. Due to this fact, it's of an accurate shape. If the overcast was tighter, it wouldn't have been that strong. Although the design of the dress is simple, you still need to learn some special sewing skills for working with linen. You should know how to sew lining and other techniques. I'm actually working on a video course on how to sew sheath dresses. Are you waiting for it? I'm going to show you how to make a sheath dress both with the sleeves and without them. This is a light summer dress. Linen is perfect for the hot weather. I know that some of you live in the parts of the world where it's hot throughout the whole year. This design is very helpful for you. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Irina Paukshte. Buy my courses, subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.